Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Muhar, and I'm back today with another very inspirational video for all of you. Today's video is about Betty Robinson, the inspirational lady who won the inaugural Olympic gold for the women's 100 meters. She thereafter suffered horrific injuries in a plane crash but came back to win another silver medal in the Olympics. Inspirational? We will go on to the story shortly. But before we go on to the story, let me share with all of you a brief about the channel. I started the channel on May 28th, 2020 in view of the ongoing pandemic. And today we have got over 536 subscribers on this channel. Our mission is to inspire the present and coming generations so that they live by the eternal human principles such as diversity, respect, honesty, integrity, value for elders, respect for women. Living by these eternal principles is the shortcut to success. So, I request you, please do subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they too are inspired to live by these eternal human principles. Coming back to our story, Betty Robinson. She was born on August 23rd, 1911. It was in the Amsterdam Olympics in 1928. It was the first time ever that the women's 100 meters events was being held in the Olympics. Betty went on to winning the gold medal in this event and she won it with a world record timing. She also added a silver medal to her haul by participating in the 4 and 200 meters women's relay. The American team won a silver medal in this event and she was part of the team. Post this, in 1931, she was severely wounded with major internal injuries in a 1931 plane crash. It was 6 months before she could get out of the wheelchair and it took her more than 2 years to start walking. Therefore, she could not participate in the 1932 Summer Olympics. 1936 Summer Olympics, she could not kneel as was the requirement for the 100 meters women's event and she did not participate in the same. But she did take part in 4 into 100 meters relay where she added another Olympic gold to her tally. She met her maker at the age of 87 on May 18th, 1999. Betty Robinson will forever be remembered for her inaugural gold in the women's 100 meters. She was the first Olympic champion in the women's 100 meters, which was inaugurated and introduced for the first time in the 1928 Amsterdam Olympics. Friends, We all cannot be as inspirational as Betty Robinson. But yes, in these difficult times when mankind is facing its biggest battle against the infamous COVID 19 virus, we should all stand up and make a difference to someone in our community. I'm a strong proponent of the concept of difference to one. Please scan your neighborhood and reach out with an act of kindness to someone who needs your help. Trust me, my friends, your act of kindness will go a long way in mankind winning the battle against this infamous COVID 19 virus. Till we meet again with another inspirational video on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. Good luck, all the best, stay safe.